From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the forecast slowly inching in the right direction, but still a little bit of a complicated weather scenario over the next several days. Going into the weekend as well, but exiting the weekend, we have a definitive pattern that's going to take place, and it's going to be for drier air, more sunshine, and slightly cooler overnight lows. So here's the upper level pattern. We start with this upper level low that's settling into Louisiana. This is going to meander around for several days, so we got to deal with that. Drier air trying to feed into that upper low, so it's made it drier back to the west, not so much as you go farther to the east. We have tropical moisture coming out of the Gulf, high level Pacific moisture coming from this tropical system here. Might even get a little blowout from K as well, all feeding and setting up for the deepest tropical moisture conduit to be over the eastern Gulf of Mexico versus the western Gulf of Mexico, and that's good for us. That means maybe some periods of sunshine. We're not going to lose the rain chances because this is going to provide upper level instability, but it's not going to be the washout gray pattern that we saw for a good part of this weekend. Now you can see most of the cloud cover pushing off to the east, generally fair skies. Most of the storms offshore today and some around the core of that upper level low this afternoon. You can see that, and it did produce some pretty hefty storms from Cenla on northward, but right now at this hour, power Doppler 3, all is quiet, and we expect it to stay that way through this evening. We talked about Hurricane K earlier in the eastern Pacific, more on that in just a bit, but we're tracking 4 systems out in the Atlantic Basin, one that's coming off the African coastline, about 20% chance of developing here, another disturbance here with a 60% chance of development, but staying out in the Atlantic. And then we have 2 hurricanes, Hurricane Danielle and now newly minted Hurricane EARL, second hurricane of the season. 80-mile-per-hour winds with EARL, and it's expected to intensify to Category 3. Tropical storm watches have been already hoisted for Bermuda, and they may change to hurricane watches by tomorrow, maybe hurricane warnings down the line. It's going to be a close call for Bermuda. Cat 3, 120, 125 mile per hour winds, and then it dies in the North Atlantic in the vicinity of where Hurricane Danielle is. Danielle on a weakening trend, spinning around in the North Atlantic. Bottom line, nothing threatening the Gulf of Mexico through next week, and that is the good news. As we take a look at the tropical moisture here, looking at the Euro model, there's K working its way up Baja, perhaps impacting California. Our upper level low showing most of the deep moisture off to the east. Here is EARL showing up there, and then we put things in motion. There's that rainfall heading for southwestern portions of California. Hopefully they need the rain. Our upper low still generating showers and storms. You see this area of orange and yellow and red, deeper red, the threat of heavier rainfall off to the east. And then we go further in motion. K moves away, drier air moves into Acadiana by Monday or Tuesday of next week, and that could be fabulous for us. It won't last long as this tropical moisture looks to come back perhaps for the following weekend. That gets us into mid-September. And we'll also be watching this system out here in the Northeast Caribbean. That may go farther to the west and could threaten the Bahamas and areas farther to the west. So we're not done with tropical season yet, but any week you can get a week in September where there is no tropical systems in the Gulf of Mexico or threatening the Gulf. You're taking away one less storm that we would have to maybe worry about potentially. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies, looks pretty good out there, and then for tomorrow, much the same. Cloud and sun mix is going to be a pretty nice day, but by the afternoon hours, scattered showers and thunderstorms, a pretty good bet. Late afternoon, early evening hours, then things quiet down as we go into tomorrow night, and then going into Thursday, we'll do it all over again with scattered primarily afternoon and early evening showers and thunderstorms. Friday, the upper low looks to come back a little bit farther to the west, so we could be setting up for a little bit of a wetter day for Friday going into the weekend, but no big washouts in the future, and that's certainly good news, and more sunshine in the mix as well. As we plot up your rain chances for tomorrow, as we head into tomorrow, notice most of the rain chances kicking in during the course of the afternoon, peaking late afternoon, evening hours. The yellow line Opelousas indicating rain chances suppressed until late in the day as well, and a little bit lower on the rain chances versus New Iberia and Lafayette. So overnight tonight, we'll say temperatures dropping down to the lower 70s. Pretty quiet out there, partly cloudy skies. By the way, Jupiter is going to be the closest it's been in 70 years this entire month, so it's nice and bright. Overnight hours rising in the east now, and then it's overhead around midnight or 1 a.m., so look for that bright star or a planet. 87 the high tomorrow with brighter skies for sure. Partly sunny skies for a good part of the day. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms later in the afternoon. You can see those clouds darkening. That's when we'll see our best chance of rain. As we move forward, rain chances 40 to 50%, increasing to 60% Saturday, then dropping off into next week. And look at this, we could see temperatures dropping down into the upper 60s as we get into next week with mostly sunny skies for the middle part of next week at the very least. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after this.